Martinis. It's a martini bar. You have a piano, and looks like they have maybe a string quartet or something in here in the evening. Specialty martinis. Plenty of seating. I would imagine that this would get pretty busy in the evening time. I'm going to take a shot at the menu if I can. And this goes out to the main atrium. Nice, super comfy chairs here. Very, very pretty bar. Everything on this entire ship is really pretty. And I'm going to show you a shot of the chandelier. I think at nighttime this changes colors. Look at that. That's just so amazing. So this is one of the main floors here. We're on deck 6. So this is a pretty extensive bar here. Lots and lots of seating. Both sides have seating. I think this place will get extremely busy in the evening.
What do you want to check? What do you want to do?
You know, like relaxation. Everything is just really nice in here, and then it's plush. Looks like you could relax with a drink in the evening, have some chit chat with some friends if you so choose. It seems like this is like midship. I'm gonna give you a shot of the actual lounge area.